Windows 11 is already a great operating system, but a few free apps can make it feel like an entirely different PC. Here are 3 tools that save time, remove annoying limitations, and make Windows much more enjoyable to use. Let's jump in. Everything. Trying to find a file with Windows Search can feel painfully slow. Everything changes that. It indexes your drives in seconds, so every search is practically instant. Start typing a file name, and it's already there. PowerToys. PowerToys feels like Microsoft secretly unlocked Windows. It includes fancy zones for advanced window layouts, text extractor for copying text from images, Power Rename for renaming hundreds of files at once, and dozens of other tools. Instead of installing 5 separate utilities, you get them all in one package. WizTree. Ever wonder what's eating all your storage? WizTree scans your drive in seconds and shows exactly what's taking up space. Huge folders become obvious instantly. Cleaning up your SSD suddenly becomes much less frustrating. Those are 3 free Windows apps that can completely transform your PC experience. Which one are you installing first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering useful Windows tools, subscribe because I've got plenty more hidden gems to share.